Welcome back to Decked Out Jon Boats. Got most of our frame built in. Now it's time to change directions. We're gonna start putting some legs on, getting ready to put some sheet. My name is Brett Cummings. I spent my life learning how to be a better angler and all about the boats that you catch the fish out of.
That is way over 10.
I'm pretty sure that's the biggest fish.
Good Lord, I don't even want to put it on the plate.
Look at that.
Subscribe to the channel and learn more about boats and bass fishing. We got our jack under the frame. Going to even it up. It's pretty close on this side. Just 1 by 1 by an 8. Like it may need another blade off of it. See how this is still a little too high. All right, just to show you what I got going on. This wall will be on the outside of this angle. The legs are going to be down the back side. That way when I go to slide my rods in, it'll be nothing but smooth wall on this side, no legs to bump into. I did leave a little bit of a gap here between here and the recess for the drain plug and the bilge pump. That way I can run my wires around, run straight down through here, get up to where the batteries are up in the front. I did leave just a little gap right down there. What I'll do is leave the corner open, that way the water can flow back to the back of the boat and be bilged out. Put a piece of angle on this wall, that way I can attach the wall on the inside. I'll have something to rivet to. So let's jump in, get the other side leveled out. Then we can just plop our legs in. And we'll be ready for some sheeting. This back part, I ain't got laid out yet. We'll try to figure out a live well to fit in there. May weld one up, may go a different route, but we'll figure all that out after I get all the legs in. Same thing on this side. Slide my jack in. Jack it up to where I'm happy with the height. Right about there. Now we'll measure and cut a leg. $340. Definitely long, so we'll trim it down a little more. Now what I'm gonna do is cut my little pieces of angle. They're gonna attach to this wall. That way the end of this wall can attach down to it. I'll cut both of those, climb in there, attach these 4, and then I'll be able to fill in a few more legs down the rod box and down the inside of where the flywheel is going to go. Have a piece laying up here that's long enough. That one is 20. Now these legs really are the difference between this boat filling really solid and built right, and it just being flexible and moving around under your feet when you're walking on it and loosening up rivets. So make sure to get all these legs where everything really fits flat. It'll all rivet together really nice. It'll be a lot more solid. You'll be a lot happier with the build. Just like that. Something I just noticed. You take this piece of channel, put it back here at the back. It fits with room to spare. As you slide forward, it gets narrower. Just another one of the quirks in this boat. Nothing in boats is ever square. So you really have to stick build it. But I am pretty happy with my heights. What I'm gonna do in this corner is actually put an piece of angle on the inside. And I'll go all the way down to the floor. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a little hole at the back corner where all the water can run through. $330. $330. So this will go down in there like that. This will go down in there like that. And that way, this wall will have something to attach to in the back. This wall will have something to attach to on the sides. And then I'll come in with a couple of legs in the middle to really support it. Same thing here. Probably 3, maybe 4 legs down through here to give this some rigidity. Then I'll skin it on the outside. I'll get the rest of this done off camera. And I'll check back in with y'all when we start doing some sheeting. Okay, I hope it was recording.